Changing the language in the Airbnb is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Airbnb. Launch the Airbnb on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access account settings. In your profile, look for the account option and select it. This will open a menu with various account-related settings. Step 4. Find language settings. Scroll through the account settings until you find the language option. Tap on it to view the available languages. Step 5. Select your preferred language. Choose your desired language from the list provided. Once selected, the app will automatically update to display content in the new language. After completing these steps, your Airbnb will reflect the language changes. Enjoy browsing and booking your stays in your preferred language.